Apple is pushing the boundaries of smart home technology with a new innovative device, a tabletop robot. This sleek and compact robot is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home, offering a range of functionalities from voice-activated controls to advanced home automation. This cutting-edge product is part of Apple's broader shift into robotics, showcasing their commitment to pioneering new technologies. Engineers and designers have collaborated to create a device that not only looks futuristic but also performs tasks with remarkable efficiency. This move is aimed at finding new revenue streams as Apple strategically pivots away from its self-driving car project. By focusing on home automation and robotics, Apple is positioning itself at the forefront of the next wave of technological innovation, ensuring sustained growth and relevance in the ever-evolving tech industry. Introducing the J595, a revolutionary tabletop robot that seamlessly blends an iPad-like display with a sleek, thin robotic arm. This arm is capable of tilting and spinning a full 360 degrees, offering unparalleled flexibility and functionality. Designed to be the ultimate smart home command center, the J595 can manage all your connected devices effortlessly. It also serves as a high-quality video conferencing hub, ensuring you stay connected with family and colleagues. Additionally, it functions as a state-of-the-art remote-controlled security tool, providing peace of mind with its advanced AI and Siri integration. With the J595, your home becomes smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before. Industry. But how does it stack up against competitors like Amazon's Echo Show or Meta's Portal? Apple's bet is that its focus on AI, sleek design, and advanced functionality will give it the edge, even in a challenging smart home market. This device is just one part of Apple's push into new technology. The company is also exploring robots that move around the home and augmented reality products, showing its commitment to pioneering the next wave of consumer tech. As Apple dives deeper into robotics, this tabletop robot could be the start of something revolutionary in smart home technology. Stay tuned!